Hello there, and thank you for clicking onto this channel. And in this video I'm going to talk to you about how to grow the hardy Japanese banana Musa basjoo. So here in front of you is our specimen of Musa basjoo that we've got in our exotic garden, and what a gorgeous looking plant that is. It's got wonderful extending leaves. This can grow up to like 2 meters, 3 meters. I think our ones here are probably about 1.5 meters. In fact, the whole plant itself can grow up to 5 meters. This one here is probably about 3 meters. The thing about it is that it is so tough here in the UK. The roots will go down to about -15. The pseudostems, which are the trunks, these will go down to about -3, -4, but I would protect them over the winter, give them a few wraps of horticultural fleece, and maybe even consider putting a bag over it. Now, if it all goes wrong and you get an exceptionally cold winter and these lovely pseudostems get frozen and damaged and die back, not all is lost, because the roots are so tough that they will produce a new stock of pseudostems in the spring, and really by the end of the growing season you will have once more a full-size specimen banana. Now, to keep it in optimum condition, you want to grow this in full sun, although it will tolerate semi-shade. The soil type, it really isn't that worried about it, just so long as it's well drained and remains reasonably moist throughout the growing season. You can, if you have the opportunity, you can plant it in a shelter position away from strong winds to prevent this kind of shredding, but other than that, it really is a tough old bird and very little problems. Now, pests and diseases aren't really an issue with these here in the UK, although I did once have an infestation of small caterpillars, but a quick spray with a pesticide and that cleared it up lovely. Now, the question you might be asking yourself is this: will my banana plant produce bananas? Well, if you live in one of the milder areas in the south coast of England and Ireland, then yes, you can get bananas produced from these plants once they have established. All you need is a decent, long, warm summer, and you'll start seeing those inflorescences, those freaky little flower things coming out, and behind that you will get your bananas. Now, they're not edible bananas like you'd find in the shops. They only grow to about 6 inches, and they are full of inedible hard seeds. There'll be a little bit of flesh, but it's not for eating. But the seeds, are they viable? I don't know, but if you know, you can leave that in the comments section. Anyway, hardy bananas, it's such a fantastic plant. It'd be lovely to see more of them. They really evoke that tropical effect for your garden. I always have them. Brilliant plants. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you have anything to add, then please leave that in the comments section, and we'll get back to you, because we'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.